This video is taken from earlier this summer when I was on a family camp trip, and it's my first time using the Bigfoot Bushcraft flat pack solo burner stove. That's a mouthful. Anyways, like I mentioned, we're on a family camp trip. The girls wanted some Jiffy Pop popcorn, so I thought, what better way to test the stove? Jiffy Pop on the Bigfoot Bushcraft solo burner flat pack stove. And I did it on a plastic table. Super cool. There's our coal base. There's our Jiffy Pop. Yummy. So here we are, we have the camp stove on a plastic table, and I can touch it with my hands, and I can take it very carefully and move it. And the table's totally cold to the touch. Excellent.